Alright, if your PC is experiencing frequent crashes, slowdowns, or errors, then here are 3 built-in repair methods that can fix your Windows without losing files or programs. First, right-click on the Start menu, then choose Terminal Admin to run as administrator. Go ahead and click Yes in the User Account Control prompt. Next, type SFC followed by a space, then / in the words Scan Now altogether, and press Enter. What this does is scan your system files and replace any corrupted Windows files with cached copies stored in a compressed folder on your hard drive. Now just wait for the scan to complete. If you see Windows Resource Protection did not find any integrity violations, or Windows Resource Protection found corrupt files and successfully repaired them, then restart your PC and check if the original problem is gone. But if you are still experiencing problems, or if the message said that SFC found corrupt files but couldn't repair them, well, let's proceed to the next method. Go back in the command prompt and type DISM followed by a space, then / and the word online followed by another space, then / and the words cleanup-image followed by another space, then / and the words ScanHealth, and press Enter. What this does is check the Windows Components store for corruption by connecting to Windows Update to analyze system files against Microsoft servers. Give it a moment for the scan to finish. After that, if DISM does find problems, in my case it didn't, but let's pretend it did. Then type DISM followed by a space, then / and the word online followed by another space, then / and the words cleanup-image followed by another space, then / and the words RestoreHealth, and press Enter. What this does is download clean copies of any corrupted system files directly from Microsoft servers to repair your Windows installation. Alright, wait for this process to finish, then restart your PC. Now, if you are still experiencing problems after both SFC and DISM scan and repairs, here's what to do next. You'll need to reset your Windows with an in-place refresh install. So, open your web browser and search for Download Windows 11. Then click the official Microsoft link and scroll down to Download Windows 11 Disk Image. Next, select Windows 11 from the drop-down and click Download. After that, select your region and confirm. This is important because if you don't select the correct region, Windows will not allow you to select the Keep Files and Programs option later in the process. Once you've done that, click Download to get the ISO file. When that's finished, locate the downloaded ISO file on your computer. Right-click the ISO file and select Mount. The mounted file should open the containing files of that ISO file automatically. If not, then go ahead and open the mounted drive and double-click the setup.exe file. In the setup window, when prompted, click Next, then accept the license terms. It will take a while for the setup to gather everything, and then click Change What to Keep. Make sure to select Keep Personal Files and Apps, because this option preserves all your installed programs, settings, and personal files during the Windows refresh. Otherwise, you will lose all your installed applications and might need to reinstall everything from scratch. Now, click Next and wait for the setup process to complete. Then click Install and wait for the installation to finish. Your PC will restart a couple of times. After everything finishes, your files and installed programs will be in place and starting as usual. Finally, check if your original problem is fixed. If problems still exist after trying all 3 methods, then you might need to check for hardware issues or seek professional help. Windows troubleshooting can be challenging, but these repair methods often resolve system issues without the need for a complete reinstall. Remember to like and subscribe for more helpful tech guides, and I'll see you in the next video.